Hi.
Ducks with the chicken. The chicken took over the ducks and she thinks it's her babies.
Where
Chicken
was
is
it?
raising 3 ducks. Here.
Oh my God.
Ah, the black one is a duck?
All 3 of them are ducks.
Look at the
Chicken took the eggs of the ducks and she took rays of them.
Oh my
Look at the
God.
beak
They
and
told
look at
us.
the feet.
So hold on, tell me the story.
The chicken took the duck's eggs thinking that it was hers and now she's raising ducks as her baby.
Maybe she knows. She's just nice. Maybe
They said that she said she took the eggs of the ducks.
Yeah, אבל לא יכולים להריח אחד את השני כזה? אחד ססס?
So that's their mom? Oh my God.
And these adorable guys are adorable.
Oh my God. Yeah. Let me see.
Just took and grab it.
Do you have a friend? Hi, little.
I don't think he'll like the flash. He's really tiny.
I'm not gonna flash. Oh, hi, little one.
Sure, so I should buy and grab him.
Hi, little one. You guys haven't had chicks since Panama, no? Since Costa Rica. Panama.
Wait, please.
Take one. It's easy. They're really small.
Yeah.
I just gave them. I don't want to. Just stand there in the grass.
Razi, what's your favorite thing about Yonca Lounge?
To feed the chickens and be here.
To feed the chickens and
Be here.
be here. Sarai? Come here. Answer me. What's your favorite thing about Yonca Lounge?
The chickens.
The chickens. Danya? What's your favorite thing about Yonca Lodge?
A lot of things.
Oh, hello, chicky chicky. Oh.